अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम EDU 405 के MCQs का पार्ट 2 जो है वो स्टार्ट करने लगे हैं। इसमें हम लेक्चर 8 से 11 तक कंप्लीट करेंगे और टॉपिक नंबर 28 से 68 तक कवर किया जाएगा। यानी कि इस वीडियो के साथ ही जो है ना, इस सब्जेक्ट के मिड टर्म प्रिपरेशन के हवाले से जो इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs हैं वो कवर हो जाएंगे। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। A questionnaire is mainly used to collect written responses from many people. A structured interview includes pre-planned set of questions. An unstructured interview allows free open discussion. A Likert scale measures attitudes and opinions. In a Likert scale, responses usually range from strongly agree to strongly disagree. Attitude skills help teachers understand students' emotion and opinion trends. A good questionnaire should be clear and easy to understand. A rating scale differs from a checklist because it shows degree or intensity. Open-ended questions in questionnaire allow detailed answers. Close-ended questions are useful because they save time and are easy to score. A semantic differential scale measures meaning assigned to concept using bipolar adjective. Interviews are better than questionnaire when interaction and probing is required. A questionnaire becomes biased when questions are leading or suggestive. For attitude measurement, which tool is most important? It's Likert scale. A good interview requires active listening and proper probing. Instructional objectives stated as learning outcomes focus on product of learning. Which of the following is not a source for lists of instructional objective? Classroom seating plan. A good general objective should be at the proper level of generality. General objectives give teacher freedom in choosing methods and materials. A general objective should always start with a verb. A specific learning outcome describe terminal performance expected from students. Each SLO must start with an action verb. Educational decisions related to strengths and weaknesses are called diagnostic decisions. Selection decisions are used to accept or reject applicants. Placement decisions determine where a student should begin in a program. A verbal test mainly include reading, writing, and speaking. Objective items are those where two scorers always agree. A speed test is characterized by strict time limits. Norm reference test NRT tell us comparison with other students. Criterion reference test CRT measure mastery of a specific skill. In CRT, items are designed to reflect criterion behavior. In NRT, average item difficulty is medium to spread out students. In CRT, most scores tend to cluster on the high end. CRT results are commonly reported as master or non-master. NRT mainly helps in ranking students. Formative assessment is conducted during the instructional process. The main purpose of formative assessment is to provide feedback during learning. Formative assessment measures students' progress and teachers' effectiveness. Nonverbal cues during classroom teaching are part of formative assessment. Which of the following is not a type of formative assessment? Final examination. Summative assessment occurs after learning is completed. Summative assessment mainly focuses on learning product. A first draft of a term paper is considered formative. If students are allowed to revise after assessment, it becomes formative. Which of the following is a summative assessment? Major examinations. Portfolios can be both formative and summative. In summative assessment, the focus of measurement is on course or unit objectives. Summative assessment uses a wide range of item difficulty. A function of summative assessment is to assign grades and certify achievements. Summative assessment is usually conducted at the end of the unit or course. According to Carey, how many major elements should be included in a table of specification? 6. Which element in a TOS ensures equal coverage of cognitive level? Balance among levels of learning. TOS is table of specification. Are the specifications in harmony with the purpose of the test is part of checklist for appropriateness of TOS. In a TOS, the number of test items for each object must match the significance and weight of each objective. According to the formula, if instruction time for an objective is 250 minutes out of 1000, what is the weightage? 25%. If an objective has 25 instructional weightage and exam is 100 marks, how many marks should be allocated? 25. Bloom's taxonomy is applied in TOS to ensure balance among levels of learning. Achievement test and aptitude test are examples of pre-designed or published tests. Which published test is commonly used in classroom? Reading test. Before selecting a test, users should first define the purpose and population. Avoid using tests for which information is incomplete or unclear is part of standards for selecting appropriate test. Fairness in testing requires reviewing performance across different races, genders, and ethnic groups. Validity refers to appropriateness of interpretation and uses of results. Content validity is ensured by comparing task with the achievement domain. Criterion validity is measured by comparing results with another valid measure. Concurrent validity compares a test with an already valid test at the same time. Which method is used to certify construct validity? Expert judgment. Consequence validity evaluates intended and unintended effects of test use. Which factor weakens a test quality? Ambiguous item. Inadequate time limit create construct irrelevant variance. Reliability refers to consistency of measurement. Reliability refers to the consistency of result obtained with the instrument. Reliability is a necessary but not sufficient condition for validity. Reliability ranges statistically between +1 and -1. Stability, equivalence, and interval consistency are characteristics of reliability. Test-retest method measure stability. A short interval between test-retest causes inflated reliability. Equivalent forms method gives two forms of the same test to same group. Test-retest with equivalent forms measure stability and equivalence. Split half method measures internal consistency. Spearman-Brown formula is used to correct reliability for the whole test from two halves. KR20 is used when items are dichotomous 0 or 1. Coefficient alpha is used when items have more than 2 score categories. Inter-rater reliability measures consistency between raters. Anecdotal records are factual descriptions of meaningful events. A main purpose of anecdotal records is to observe natural interactions and behaviors. Anecdotal records should be written immediately after observation. Anecdotal records should include a single meaningful incident. In anecdotal record, interpretation should be kept separate from factual description. Before drawing conclusions from anecdotal records, teachers should collect several incidents. इसके साथ ही हमारे ये सेकंड पार्ट एमसीक्यूज का यहीं मुकम्मल होता है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये तमाम एमसीक्यूज आपके लिए बहुत यूजफुल रहेंगे। मेरी वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा। अपने फेलो स्टूडेंट्स के साथ वर्चुअल यूनिवर्सिटी के डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स में इन वीडियोस को लाजमी शेयर करें ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो अपने मिड टर्म की अच्छी प्रिपरेशन कर सकें। अगर आप मुझे अपना कोई फीडबैक देना चाहें तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर दीजिएगा और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना हरगिज़ ना भूलिएगा। मैं इंशाअल्लाह ताला अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियोस के साथ जल्द हाजिर होंगी। तब तक आप सब अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।